Today, we're diving into the exciting world of building AI agents with Retell AI, but with a laser focus on one crucial thing: keeping it cheap. Alright, let's get building. First, head over to the Retell AI platform and find the agent builder. This is your control center. Remember that our biggest costs in AI comes from the voice interactions. Inside the agent builder, start with your agent's persona. Think about what this AI agent needs to know, its goals, and how it should behave. Create a simple and concise prompt. Less is more. Overly complex prompts can increase processing time, indirectly increasing the cost of voice interactions. Next up, choose your voices wisely. Retell AI offers several voice options. You'll see that the premium-sounding realistic voices will significantly increase your cost per interaction compared to the more basic options. Try testing the cheaper options first. Build a concise, focused knowledge base. Keep your context simple by uploading only the necessary information for your agent to be effective. The more information your AI needs to process, the more expensive it will be. Lastly, carefully consider callbacks and integrations. Each of these can add functionality, but it can also add to your overall interaction costs. Evaluate the return on investment. Do you really need them? If you're just testing your agent, avoid them to limit costs. By following these steps: concise prompts, budget-friendly voices, lean knowledge bases, and judicious use of integrations, you can build powerful and cost-efficient AI agents with Retell AI. Now, go and build something cool.